Hello everyone, how are you? Today I will to show you how to folding paper bird for play. Are you see it? It's now. It's flying. It's really fly. And now I am testing to show you all. And paper bird you can give the kid for play in holiday. And now I will show you how to make it. Let's do it with me. For step by step, I will show you slowly. I hope you all can make it. It's easy. When I was young, I always play it. When I play it, it's so fun. I'm sorry I cannot speak English very well because my speaking English is beginning. If you all like the paper bird, you can watch this video the beginning to end. Also, you all can make it. And I want to speaking for you all. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget like, subscribe and share my video to your friends or the people you know. Good luck my friend. I will post my video every day for you all for watching.
It was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running.
In the end,